Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and today I'm coming at you with a request, something simple, but also something that lets us show off the cool things we're making. So, my friends, let's get cracking. So the request is pretty simple. I would just love to have some sweet images of the projects you create so I can turn them into an animated GIF to show off how awesome they are. When you're showing off one, just make sure you find the image that shows it most epic. If you want to show both, fine. If you only want to show part of your amazing project, don't forget that you can do hide to only have your favorite part on the screen. When you do have it on the screen, remember you can do shift drag to get it centered, zoom in, and find the best shot possible for your project. And then we use the snipping tool, or you can use send to, and you can just save it as a picture. There is a location where I want you to put these. I'm going to use snipping tool and show you how to do it. First we hit new, grab a rectangular picture of your image. This is important for the GIF to show up the way that we want. And then when you hit save, the location we're going to go down to is hit the PC, scroll down and find the S drive. In S, I want you to go to Harbor Lights, Projects, and we're going to Student Projects. Of course, the class is Harmon, and then there's a special folder in here called Pics. In the Pics, put your cool picture in the one that is labeled for yours. If you've got something you're sharing that's different, you can create a new folder. Say you had created an igloo project, and you can save yours in there. This, of course, is a ship, and I would just like you to make sure that you put your initials after it so that I know which one it is, and then I'm able to create the sweet animated GIF that you will see on Twitter. If you're not in my classroom, of course, you can send me a sweet image using Gmail at hlmodtech@gmail.com, and I'll see if I can add yours to the list as well. We'll see how big this project becomes, but it is super cool for you guys to be able to share the cool things you're making with me. If you want to see the cool posts, make sure you track us down on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. They're all at HLModTech, and it'd be great to have you in our community. Friends, if you found the video useful, please hit that like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.